Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So after the last upload, I fitted the keel section here, the stern, and then another keel section here at the back of the boat. I did sand off some of the rough edges, so now we've got a lovely round section there and over here on the back. So I was thinking that the rudder is just going to fit straight onto the boat, but it isn't actually. So I've made provision there at the back. You can see there's a little bit of a V that I've put in there, and that is just to close up the hole. So the rudder's eventually going to sit in like that. I think they call it a rudder. Yes, so the rudder blade is going to sit like that, but that will do a little bit further on. At this stage they want us to add the guardrails here on the side, and that's just going to be underneath the bulwark planking here. I've got the guardrails, which is the 2 by 2 by 330 millimeter, so it's 2 millimeters by 2 millimeters thickness and width. I've got it on some boiling hot water here just to let it cool down so I can bend it into position, otherwise you end up breaking it. So guys, let's get into it, let's get cracking. So guys, it seemed like I swamped it with glue. I'm just wiping it off. I took it out of the boiling water now. So one side I've already flashed down, as you can see there. That's just going to fit straight up against the stem here. So then we go all around, and hopefully on this video we don't break it like I've done with a couple of them. I'm just going to try and hold it in position here so I can get a rubber band. This is just to keep it in position, otherwise it is going to flash all the way around. So it's better for me to get the rubber band double, especially for this section here at the front. I don't know how good this is coming up on the screen here. Okay guys, sorry, I tried filming all of that, but it was just not possible. So as you can see, we've added the guardrail now. It's a very tiny piece, just fits under the bulwark planking. This I'll probably also do in the same natural wood color as this, and I've just added some rubber bands all on the sections here, and then I've got a big or smallish clamp here at the front so that we just get it lined up quite nicely with the stern there. I'm probably going to have to leave this to dry and to take the natural shape of this hole for probably a day. So I'm actually going to do the other side as well, the other guardrail, just on myself, and I'll just bring you back when we've got that completed. So the next step in this stage 6 that we need to do is, so this is where we're up to now, and that is just the guardrails on each side of the ship itself. I am going to file them down a little bit there at the back as well. And then what we need to do further in this issue, they call it rough tree timbers, and gallant rails and stern gallant rails. So all of these that you see here, basically number 26s, they refer to it as rough tree timbers, and that is just for supports on the side of the bulwarks there. Number 27, that's basically on top of the bulwark, where we will need to add the gallant rails. And then number 28 at the back there on the stern section, basically here we need to add the stern gallant rails. So that's still coming up, and then after that we'll probably do the rubber blade as well, or the rudder blade. And finally I'm getting to use some of the copper items that they send us, and I'm quite looking forward to that start of the build as well. We're almost getting into completion with the ship itself, with all the woodwork, and then after that it's just going to be doing detailing and a lot of rope work, and then the sails, and then we need to build all the structures on top of the deck itself. So guys, let's this dry. I'm going to do the other side, and then we'll do the gallant rails. Okay guys, so I finished the port side and the starboard side guardrail. As you can see, it came out looking quite nice. This one I still, you can see there, I still need to sand it down a little bit. This one I've already sanded down, and I'm quite happy with that. So this one was the final one that I did. So next up, they want us to install these rough tree timbers. So they want on each, on the starboard and the port side, they want 14 of them. I've already gone and I've pre-marked, so it's about 230 up to the end there. You can see all my notches there just with a smaller or with a pencil. So I've got them apart 16.5 millimeters on both sides here. So I'm just gonna glue them into position, and then we also need to fit the Gallant rails, which is the same 2x2 mold like the guardrails on the side. That's gonna basically fit on top of the bulwarks. I'll probably do all of this in a time lapse, and then we basically complete. I did add here at the back, I did add one of the stern Gallant rails. So the bulwark Gallant rails is going to sit here, 2 of them on the bulwarks, and I need to add another one here at the back as well. I've already pre-cut all my rough tree timbers, as they call it. So cue the music, and please like, comment and subscribe.